Hello friends, in this video I'm going to create a card for the movie, episodes and series. I'm going to create one card and I'm going to use for all of them. So open the VS Code and inside the resources, views, components, I'm going to create a new file and I'm going to name it a movie card.blade.php. Okay. And here I'm going to say div with the class group and bg gray 300 on dark mode. It's going to be bg gray 800 and you can play with colors in your choice. So I'm going to add the shadow large, rounded, and maybe B1. Okay. And after that I'm going to add a div with class relative. And here I'm going to display the image. So I'm going to add a slot for the image. And down there I'm going to add a div with class padding 2. So after the image, I'm going to add a slot and we can paste the title and the description or the genres. So I'm going to say slot here and hit save. Now go to the welcome. And when we have here the movie cards, I'm going to say X movie card and X slot for the name. Sorry, name is image. Here is going to display the image. We are going to display the image and I'm going to add a div with a class aspect width 2 and aspect height 3. Okay. And inside here I'm going to add an image. I'm going to add a class here, object cover. And we need to add source. I'm going to add an image, but so come here and open free image to use. No copyright, Pixabay, Unsplash. Just go and copy one of them here. I'm going to copy this one, this CDN here, and paste it. Okay. And after that, I'm going to, after the image, I'm going to add a div with a class absolute. And the left 0 and top 0 as well. And I'm going to say h 8 and width 12. And here I'm going to say new for new movie. Okay. And now we close the div, close the slot, and here we are in the slot of the movie. So now we are here. And I'm going to say anchor tag. And here we are going to go to the movie, for example, movie.show, or but for now I'm going to leave it like this. And I'm going to say a div with class text white if we have a dark mode, sorry, dark, because otherwise it's going to be black, the text. And font bold on the group hover, group hover. I'm going to change the text to be a blue 300, maybe 400. And here is going to be the movie title. Okay, and I'm going to copy this one and paste sometimes and hit save. Go to the browser and refresh, and I'm going to find the movie card. Yeah, I have made a mistake here. So select all of them. X movie card like this. And yeah, we need to run also the npm run watch. Okay, refresh again. And I don't know why we don't have this. I need to be right here. So yeah, now you see where is the text is up here, and maybe we need to change this to be, so select all them, and I'm going to say bg gray and text to be blue 400. I save and refresh now. Yeah. Also text center. Yeah, and now it's more okay. And maybe we need the font bold. Okay. Now when we hover it, we see we change the color of the title. And we can add here also the genres, or down there or here, with, because this is relative and we can play around with that, but I think it's okay. Okay, so now I'm going to try to change the add class for the dark mode, class dark, hit save and refresh. And yeah, we have a white color, white text for the title. Okay. Hope you enjoy, friends, and see you in the next video. All the best, friends.